Hey, what's up everybody, Kid Android here, and in this video I'm going to do a camera comparison between $300 phone versus $850 phone. Yes guys, I'm talking about the camera comparison between the Vivo V9 smartphone versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So guys, in this video I will show you side-by-side pictures which I took from the Vivo V9's camera versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus camera. So make sure to consider the price. I know the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is a lot premium device than the Vivo, but I thought why not comparing them side by side and have a look to the camera performance. So let's quickly talk about their cameras. Vivo claims that the highlighted feature of the device is its 24 megapixel front facing sensor of the device. It has f2.0 aperture for improved selfies. The rear feature is 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel rear camera with the 5 megapixel unit acting as a depth sensor. This is Vivo's first rear mounted dual camera. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus have dual 12 megapixel cameras on the backside which has 2x optical zoom, and also it has dual aperture f1.5 and f2.4. Yeah guys, you can manually change the aperture lens on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus camera. The front facing camera is 8 megapixel which has f1.7 aperture. So guys, here are some side by side pictures which I took from the Vivo V9's camera versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus camera. And guys, you are the judge here. You need to decide which phone takes a better quality pictures. Having said that, both devices are on auto mode and pictures are taken in a good lighting conditions and also on a bad lighting condition. Having been said, here are the samples. So guys, these were the camera samples which I took from the Vivo V9's camera versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus camera. So what's your thoughts on this? Please let me know your thoughts in comments down below. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having been said, thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.